Guys, this is Noah and you are watching Noah Tech Station. So today I have a sad news for you guys, especially for LG fans and smartphone fans in general. It is official that the company LG confirms later on Easter Sunday, maybe you heard this news already, that the company is giving up in mobile phone business officially and finally. So the announcement is pretty straight and forward. It is clear that you will not going to see any new phones in future from LG. It is very sad to hear this because LG is the company who provides such great, unique and innovative smartphones in the past, and I know you also have a question in your mind, what about the existing LG smartphones, right? The existing LG phones will continue to get the after sales supports and software update as well, at least for a while. Exactly how long depends on where you live, and LG will inform people about it when they can. Meanwhile, the retailers and the carriers that still have LG smartphones in stock will keep selling it, possibly maybe with some big discounts and offers involved in it. And also the company start planning to winding down their mobile division by the end of July, so there is just 3 to 4 months left for LG to completely wind up their mobile selling and manufacturing business. A strategic move, they say, in the force of stiff mobile competition and presumably not wanting to lose any more than the $4.5 billion or so of losses they've incurred over the last 6 years. Fair enough, they are losing money, the competition is getting better and stronger, and they just can't keep it up. It is a very similar story that we've seen in the past with few companies like BlackBerry, HTC and Nokia. Although Nokia is back now in this mobile game business again, but the thing is that Nokia is not the only one. There is other companies as well, like Sony Xperia division hasn't really been doing that well for a few years, but now it is a little bit better. But it is a little bit disappointing to see this because LG made some good phones in the past that is very popular and best ever smartphones, all the way back to the LG G2 and G3 with their great big screens and thin bezels, and back then it was a such good, and with removable batteries and stuff like that, LG provides such great experience to the mobile users. So LG started its mobile business in 2000 by acquiring LG Information and Communications. In the early 2000s, LG is the world's third largest mobile phone maker behind Nokia and Samsung globally. However, the market share of now LG is only 1% globally in the smartphone market. So that is all you want to know about the complete story why LG is closing his mobile division. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.